Hello, English boosters. I'm Sunny, and I'm currently wearing sunglasses indoors because I'm dreaming of summer vacation. Welcome back.
I'm your co-host, Leo, who's currently drowning in travel brochures and budget spreadsheets. Vacation planning is supposed to be fun, but it feels like a full-time job.
That's our topic today, Leo. We're diving into the essential English you need for travel planning. Are you a spontaneous traveler or a meticulous planner?
I try to be spontaneous, but then I realized I've forgotten my passport or booked the flight for the wrong month. So now I'm the panic and overplan guy.
We've all been there. Let's start with money. How do you talk about managing your spending while traveling?
You have to stick to the budget, right? I always fail at that. I see a souvenir and my brain says, buy it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
You need a strong phrase to stop yourself. Try saying, I need to cut back on my spending. That means spending less money.
I need to cut back on my spending. I'll try. Speaking of spending, how do I get the best deal on flights?
You should always book your flights in advance, which means well before your departure date, and always compare prices. You can say, I need to compare prices across different airlines.
That sounds exhausting. What if I just want to skip the planning and hit the road?
Hit the road is a fantastic idiom meaning to begin a journey. But impulsive travel has risks, Leo. You must make sure to check your travel documents. That's essential.
You're right. I need to be better about that. My biggest anxiety is packing. Do I need 5 pairs of shoes for a 3-day trip?
Absolutely. But the standard advice is to travel light. It means taking minimal luggage.
Travel light. Got it. But if I travel light, how will I bring back all my souvenirs? This is a serious flaw in the system.
You can always buy an extra suitcase there. Now, let's move to giving advice, which is super useful for travel. We use the conditional phrase, if I were you.
Okay, like, if I were you, I would try the street food first. Is that correct?
Perfect. Another great way to give advice is by using you should or it's worth.
It's worth going to the museum near the hotel. Oh, I like that. It sounds less bossy than you should go.
Exactly. Now, let's role play a classic scenario, checking in at the airport.
Okay, I'm the traveler. Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to Paris.
Do you have your passport and boarding pass ready?
Yes, here you go. Is the flight running on time?
Yes, the flight is running on time. You're all set. Simple, right?
Much easier than the planning. Now, what about the hotel? I need to ask for a late checkout.
You can ask, is it possible to have a late checkout? Or if you're willing to pay, what is the charge for late checkout?
That sounds professional. Now for our final segment, travel idioms. This is where we get witty.
Let's start with one for your dream destination, a home away from home.
A home away from home. That means a place where you feel as comfortable as you do in your own house. I hope my hotel is a home away from home.
Me too. Next one for resting up. Sleep like a log.
Sleep like a log. To sleep very soundly and deeply. I hope I sleep like a log on the airplane, but I probably won't.
You might. How about one for solving problems while abroad, to be on the ball?
To be on the ball. To be quick to understand and react to things. When traveling, you definitely have to be on the ball because things change so fast.
Absolutely. Another one for when you're leaving. Get a move on.
Get a move on. Hurry up. Like when I'm running late for my flight, I need to get a move on.
You've got it, Leo. Your English skills are really taking off.
A skank? All thanks to English Booster. This episode was so useful. I feel ready to hit the road.
Me too. Remember, listeners, using these practical phrases daily is the best way to make your English skills take off.
And make sure to stick to the budget. Don't be like me and buy too many souvenirs.
Fantastic advice, Leo. That's all the time we have for today on English Booster.
Keep practicing, keep boosting, and remember, small habits lead to big progress.
We'll catch you next time. Bye for now.
See ya.
That's all the time we have for today. Keep boosting your English skills